A fully restrained beam with a span of 12 meters carries a uniformly distributed load of 30 kilonewtons per meter over its entire length. To control excessive deflection, an additional support is introduced at the midspan. So pag sinabing fully restrained, it is fixed at both ends. 12 meters of length, then carries a uniform load of 30 kilonewton per meters. To prevent excessive deflection, a support is added at midspan. Okay, kung nasa gitna yan, then each of these length is 6 meters. Tawag itong point A, point B, and point C. Alright, better to memorize some formulas on this kind of petition. So ito yung reactions natin, RA, RB, and RC. For this condition, basta nasa gitna yung support, then uniformly distributed load, and fixed at the other ends. The formula of the reaction at A is just WL over 2, at B is WL, at C is WL over 2. Symmetrical, the same value RA and RC natin. Then moment at A and C are just equal. Now for the drawing natin yung C diagram, aakyat yan ng WL over 2, then bababa ng W times L, WL over 2 minus WL, you will have your negative WL over 2, then magiging symmetrical lang yung ating shear diagram. While the moment diagram, MA and MC are just equal, so you start with a negative moment. The formula is just WL squared over 12, and the maximum positive moment is WL squared over 24, and dito negative, they are equal. So just familiarize these formulas for this condition. Part 1 is a reaction of the added support. It is just W times L. W is 30 kilonewton per meter. The length, the small length dapat, 6 meters. Answer is 100 kT. The maximum shear, mapapositive or negative shear, the same sila ng magnitude. WL over 2. 30, again yung L is small l, 6 meters over 2. The answer is 90 kilonewtons. And the maximum bending moment in the beam, hindi siya specific kung positive or negative moment. Pag sinabing maximum bending moment, gagamitin natin yung absolute value. Of course, mas malaki yung WL squared over 12 kaysa divided by 24. So we will use that one. Alright? 30 L is 6 over 12. The answer is 90 kilonewton meter.